looking for the perfect place to build your dream home? Look no further. Today, we explore a stunning lot in one of the most desirable residential developments in Lake Chapala. This beautiful lot is surrounded by already inhabited homes, creating a welcoming and established neighborhood. It is flat and ready to build on, making it the ideal canvas for your vision. This development offers residents the best of both worlds, tranquility and convenience. The Clubhouse is a true community hub with a cozy lounge area, a fully equipped kitchen perfect for gatherings. Stay active and enjoy the beautiful surroundings in the well-equipped gym, overlooking the pool and green areas, making your workouts even more enjoyable. Take a refreshing dip in the solar-heated pool, which features a sunbathing and relaxation area. And when you're looking for the ultimate relaxation, unwind in the luxurious jacuzzi that seats up to 8 people. And let's not forget comfort. This development is located 10 minutes from most essential services and a hospital emergency room, ensuring peace of mind. This beautiful lot is waiting for you to create your dream home. Contact us today for more information and take the first step towards a life of luxury and tranquility in Lake Chapala.